XRP, the greatest digital asset ever created. I'm so glad I accumulated before the space got saturated. XRP, the greatest digital asset ever created. Make the haters aggravated, get the spaceship activated. XRP, the greatest digital asset ever created. I'm so glad I accumulated before the space got saturated.
Woo! What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to the XRP Hooper Show one more again. Let me turn my camera on real quick because y'all not ready for me today. Y'all not really ready. I'm excited. What's goody? All right, so I'm going to get straight into it, right? I got my shades on because I'm ready for the beach. I got my hater blockers on. So anybody that's not, into crypto, don't like crypto, never heard about crypto, this is my hater blockers. Sorry, go research some things yourself. But look, I'm excited. I'm back at it again. Another XRP show here again. All right, so look, I'm going to get straight into it. XRP right now is at 58 cents. I'm on coinmarketcap.com. It's doing good. It's fluctuating back and forth from about 65 cents to 58 cents. That's better than 25 cents, right? So we seeing some movement here. We seeing movement. Bitcoin sitting nice at 18,000, going back and forth as well. Coinmarketcap.com, guys. Go look that up yourself. I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna talk about blockchain and the real estate, right? How blockchain right now is crazy, but it's taking over almost every industry. Okay, whether you like it or not, every industry. All right, I'm gonna get right into real estate. So real estate, I'm looking up a couple things because I want to personally get into real estate after this big boom and different things. I want to, start investing my money. I don't want to just invest my money in the crypto and then have so much money and then don't have nothing else to have your money working for you, right? So real estate is one thing I've been looking into, how blockchain technology is changing real estate. So I've been looking up a lot of articles on real estate, different things, how blockchain is able to, split up different assets. I'll show you a couple videos here in a minute. I'm not about to read these articles. I'm showing you guys these articles so you guys can take it upon yourself and do your own research and, do your own due diligence as we go. So here's 17 blockchain companies is boosting the real estate industry. Things I've seen, which is really, really, really interesting, how it'll help the average investor basically start investing in real estate with a little to, I wouldn't say little to no money because you need money, but little money. All right, I seen this one company here located in New York. Let me see. Is the video I want to play?
Meridio is a blockchain-based platform.
So let's do this video really quick. It's like 2 minutes. I'll show the whole thing. It's a really good video.
Fractional ownership of real estate. Here's how it works. Mike owns an office building worth $20 million. It generates good cash flow for him and his investors. But he wants to liquidate a portion of his equity to fund another development. Sarah wants to invest in real estate, but only wants to invest $1,000. Traditionally, $1,000 wouldn't allow Sarah to invest in individual properties, meaning Mike can't help Sarah and Sarah can't help Mike. Until Meridio. Using Meridio, Mike can divide his office property into tokens or digital shares that represent equity or debt in the underlying asset. Mike can then sell those tokens to a wider capital pool of both institutional and individual investors. Meanwhile, Sarah now has the ability to make real estate investments at a fraction of the cost previously required. Mike keeps the property financials up to date on Meridio and manages any payouts from rental income using a smart contract that automatically distributes earnings to token holders like Sarah. Since Meridio operates on the Ethereum blockchain, it's easy for property owners like Mike to manage the portfolio and track current investors, prices, and trades, issue dividends to a large number of investors, seamlessly recapitalize assets. If Sarah wants to sell her shares in the property, she doesn't have to deal with contracts, lawyers, or even Mike. She simply sells her tokens on the open market, and the smart contract is updated accordingly. Investors of all sizes, from Sarah to institutional asset managers, now have unparalleled liquidity in real estate investments, exposure to individual asset deals, visibility into the underlying asset's performance and details. Thanks to Meridio, the real estate market is now more liquid, efficient, and accessible, which helps both Mike and Sarah. Welcome to the future of real estate.
All right, guys. This is the future. I mean, they said the future of blockchain in real estate. This is the future right here. This is what I'm looking for. I am very excited about. I'll be Sarah. You know, this is Meridio's website here. You can see the video here. You can learn more about it. Safe for investors, low investment minimums. You have to definitely put an application in. So I put an application in. Now I have to wait to get accepted. But do your own due diligence. Read about their partners, the press, you know, different little things about the company, the blogs, the people who are behind these different projects. Remember, I was telling you guys about different things you look up. You have to understand what the use case is. You have to understand who's behind the project, and you want to know like how your money's gonna work for you. You know, so really do your own research where you put your money into. This is a great thing to get started. I haven't looked all the way in depth on this company as far as me putting my money in, but I'm definitely been taking a look at a couple things, right? Let me go back into this website here that I was telling you about, the 17 different companies that's in blockchain. I'll put this link down below, but Propy here is another big one that I personally have coins of. Propy is a real estate marketplace. Use smart contracts, international property transactions. So I'll send you guys a link to this Propy.com, right? Propy is a great company also as well in the real estate industry. So do your own due diligence. Again, I'll put these links behind. These are a couple people who just sent in, like Propy allows agents to focus on their clients. This is just another avenue in the real estate industry. Blockchain will be the future of real estate, and I'm excited for it. Can I get a excitement? I'm excited for it. I'm gonna just keep going. Let me see what I got next here. Okay, I got this one article that I had to like show. I looked at the Digital Asset Investors channel, and I seen this article. A few other articles as well. I'm not gonna get into all of them, but this. If you guys don't have your shades on ready for the beach, I don't know. I don't know where you're going. Where you going if you ain't got the shades on? I don't know. But I got my shades on. Now I gotta go buy me a hat, you know. Get me a hat on for my beach because the sun gonna be hitting me. So I gotta make sure, you know, I get my tan on. Alright, so look. US printed more money in 1 month than in 2 centuries. Let me drop I got a mic. I gotta drop the mic. Drop the pen. Drop the pen. U.S. has printed more money in 1 month than in 2 centuries. Yo! If y'all don't got your shades on, I don't know what to tell you. The United States printed more money in June than in the first 2 centuries after its founding. It made me laugh because I put my money in the crypto. So it's like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna be at the beach. I see y'all there, alright? So look, I seen this video that I wanted to show you guys. It's only like 2 minutes. I'm not gonna show the whole thing, but I just thought this was a cool video to show. Like, just to show you how much money in visual, like you could say $20 trillion, you could say $30 trillion, but you gotta actually see it. Like, nobody I personally know ever seen $10 trillion in one sitting. I know I haven't, but this shows you. Oh man, what's going on? It's loading. This shows you what money looks like, just compared to different things, and it's so crazy. This is $2 trillion, guys. Look how much money has been created. In numbers. They're printing this money, but they're creating this money, just basically putting numbers in the computer. Look at this. 349 billion, 301 billion, 250 billion. Just look at the comparison of what they're showing you. How much money. I mean, it's sad. It's sad. A lot of places around the world, Venezuela, It's just sad. It's sad how the government has created this big $4 trillion. Wow. Lack of trust between just the citizens of the world and the government is just really sad. Watch this. They just throwing the money in the hole, like a deep hole. It's so sad. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm not going to show you the whole thing. You guys get ready for the flare. Please get ready for the flare. It is December the 12th. They take the screenshot. I personally am going to be involved in the flare. I'm not transferring all my tokens over to the particular platform, but I know a lot of these crypto exchanges are, supporting it. Coinbase definitely just started supporting it, so that's a big thing here. I found this on Twitter with Brad Garlinghouse. He was speaking just a teeny bit about Flare. He's not going to speak a lot about it, but definitely listen up. Let me hear. Let me click here.
Well, in this case, it's not so much about what our customers. This is a very exciting startup called Flare Networks. They're doing some very interesting stuff with something called the Spark token, but it is really distinct from what Ripple is doing. And to me, it's just a further example of people's recognition that XRP is such an efficient digital asset. And as you and I talked about, utility will drive the long-term value of any digital asset. Seeing a company like Flare Networks and seeing them use the XRP network in various ways, I think is an opportunity to go forward. But it doesn't affect RippleNet customers and how we are using ODL for our customers. It's largely separate from that.
Yeah, I should make the point, sorry. It is a startup, but it is Ripple funded, which is why I was sort of drawing the connection.
Ripple funded?
What does it mean? What does it mean for XRP holders?
Yes.
What does it mean for XRP holders specifically?
I think XRP holders are deservedly excited about what Flare is doing.
I'm excited.
I'm excited about what Flare is doing.
I'm excited about Flare doing too.
As we've said, anytime you're seeing real utility solving a real problem, and I think Flare has carved out an interesting niche, and I think as they move forward with this airdrop of Spark tokens, I'm optimistic for them. I've met the management team there. I think they're very talented. I think they have a clear vision of the problem they're going to solve.
We've got like 2 weeks to the airdrop, and as far as I saw even today, some exchanges, Coinbase, Kraken, are not participating.
This is before Coinbase announced that they're participating. Clearly.
I honestly don't know. I mean, I certainly think the Flare.
All right, I'm not going to get into that. It's like 2 seconds left. You can watch. It's like 3 clips of that particular interview. Listen, go follow me on Twitter. JJamming. Go follow me on Twitter. I'm out of here. I'm not going to keep everybody long. I'm just speaking about real estate. I'm got my shades on. I'm ready for the beach. Listen, getting rich is a game. If you don't know how to play the game, please don't let the game play you. I'm out of here.